Dear students, in this video, you will going to learn about some more example of medicinal plants. Now, in our last video, we have already studied what is a medicinal plants and what are the first two examples. Let's have a small recap. Now, medicinal plants, why they are important? Because they have important phytochemical constituents which is there in the plants, and because of that which can help to cure many internal and external diseases. Then we studied the first two examples, aloe vera and a ginger. We saw that what are the main important part of that plants which is used to preparation of certain medicines and to cure certain illnesses. Now we will learn few more examples of a medicinal plants. So the very first example is holy basil, which is botanically called as a Ocimum basilicum, which is commonly called as a holy basil. This is not a tulsi plant, but it is a species and a genus species of a tulsi which is named as a basil. Now botanically it is called as the Ocimum basilicum, common name is holy basil, and it belongs to family Lamiaceae. Now, the important part of that plant which is used to cure many illnesses is leaves. So, leaves of basil plant is a very important and rich in phytoconstituent that can help to cure many disease and disorders. Now, the important phytochemicals which is present in the leaf is eugenol, tannins, saponins, glycosides, vitamin C, malic and citric acid. So, these are the few listed important phytochemical constituents which is present in the foliage or a leaf of a basil plants. Hence, the leaf of a basil plants has been used to cure certain disorders. Now let us study that how these basil can be used in the medicines and to cure certain disorders in many different ways. So the uses of holy basils, it can help to combat the stress. It can lower down the blood glucose level. It is used as an antibacterial properties. It promotes the healthy function of your liver and lower down the cholesterol level. It boosts the immune system. It also helps in the preparation of some Italian dishes. Now, along with it, there are many more uses of basis. Now, as it is written in the presentation, if you can see that several authors describe that it is a therapeutic property of basil. It's a stimulant, anti-dysmenorrhea. Now, what do you mean by anti-dysmenorrhea? Now, it is a gynecological disorder where during the menstrual cycle, a female suffers with a menstrual cramps. So that menstrual cramps during the menstrual cycle, which is the gynecological disorders, it is called as a dysmenorrhea. Now to cure and to reduce the menstrual cramp, basil is very effective. Again, what do you mean by anti-hypochondria? Now, anti-hypochondria, it is basically a disease which is an anxiety disease, and during this time a person will suffer a anxiety of health. They will feel that they have a serious health issues, a very serious health issues and a very serious health disorder, but they are not really suffering with. So it's an anxiety or a stress in their mind. They feel that they have a very serious high health issues, but they are not facing that. It is called as a anti-hypochondria. So to releases this anxiety, to releases menstrual cramps, basil is a very effective medicinal plant. It also helps to digest the food and make the liver functions smoothly. It also helps in cancerous property to cure. It uses as an anti-cancerous hypotensive. The seeds are very well known and refreshing, which is used in preparation of certain juices. The leaves are also used in preparation of food like Italian food. And these are the some important uses why the basil is medicinally important. The next example of medicinally important plant is a turmeric. Now, all of us in our day-to-day life, we use this turmeric. Turmeric is a perennial herb plant. It is an aromatic plant which is used to cure certain diseases in a day-to-day life and in certain severe diseases as well. Botanically, turmeric is called as a curcuma longa. Commonly, it is called as the turmeric. It belongs to family Gingiberaceae. So, the ginger and turmeric, both of them are the rhizodial plants, which is belongs to the family Gingiberaceae. Now, the main important part of that plant, which is used to cure certain diseases or which is used in the preparation of certain medicines, is a dried rhizome. So, rhizome of a turmeric plant has been used in kitchen, in preparation of medicines, in curing some illnesses, diseases, etc. Now, why turmeric and what are the components which makes turmeric so important? And the very effective and the essential components which is there in the turmeric is curcuminoids. Curcuminoids or a curcumin is a very important phytoconstituent which is present in the turmeric, which helps to cure many diseases. And the color of turmeric, a yellow pigmented, highly pigmented color of turmeric, it is because of the curcumin. It is rich in lipid. It is also rich in curcuminoids. It is rich in essential oils, and all these property makes turmeric a very effective medicinal plant. Now, as all of us are aware that turmeric is a very highly important medicinal plant, and this plant has been used in each and every household as a curing plant, as a medicinal plant to cure our day-to-day life diseases. If we discuss the uses of important medicinal uses of turmeric, we will be very short of a time. There are thousands and thousands of uses which can be used to cure certain day-to-day life illnesses and certain severe disorders as well. Now, a very basic infection or a very basic illnesses where a person goes through in her day-to-day life is a cold and cough. And to cure this cold and cough, turmeric is widely used in the preparation. Now, turmeric is also used as an aromatic plant because it gives a very beautiful aroma. It is an anti-inflammatory, helps down to reduces the swelling. It also reduces the stomach ache. It purifies your blood. It protects the heart diseases. It's a powerful antioxidant. And there are many more uses of turmeric which has been listed in the photograph. If you can see, you can just go through it. Now, medicine, not only just medicine, but turmeric is also used in the preparation of many traditional food recipes and many cosmetics. Now, all the cosmetics products nowadays they have a turmeric, irrespective it is a face wash, a face pack, a scrub. Turmeric is a highly pigmented medicinal plant which can go to your skins and open the pores. It gives a high and it improves the complexation. So turmeric is widely used in the preparation of cosmetics and as well as to cure diseases. One more medicinally important plant is Adulsa. Now botanically it is called as Adatoda vasaica and commonly it is known as Adulsa, belonging to the family Acanthaceae. The dried and fresh leaves of the plant Adulsa has been used in the preparations of medicines and herbal medicines, herbal drugs. The chemical constituents which is present in the leaves of a Adulsa, which are tannins, flavonoids, terpenes, glycosides, alkaloids, and all these phytochemical constituents makes Adulsa as a medicinally important plant. As it is medicinally important plants because of the presence of many important essential phytochemical constituents, Adulsa is widely used in the preparation of herbal drugs. These herbal drugs are used against the diseases like a tuberculosis or cancer. It is widely used as an anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, insecticidal, antioxidant activities. As we state that anti-inflammatory, it reduces the swelling, as it is antimicrobial, any kind of microbial infection. It it is highly proven that adulsa can reduces the microbial infection. It also helps to cure certain cardiovascular diseases, and it is used in the preparation of kava as a traditional recipes for a healthy life, or for a person to which is in a day-to-day life. In earlier tradition, every day they used to have a kava. That kava is made up of certain very good important medicinal plants such as a turmeric, a giloy, a tulsi, because all these contains a very important phytochemical constituents which is helped in reducing your blood glucose level, a proper blood pressure level, a low level of diabetes, and a healthy life. So adulsa, because of its phytochemical constituent, it is used in all these several diseases.